Dr. Bennett Belles, I want to invite you to join our movement as we work to reimagine Bennett College and make sure it and our Belles continue to be prepared for an ever-changing future. Bennett College is leading the way to renew and restore the viability of historically Black colleges and universities in America. What you may have learned in your research about Bennett College is that Bennett Belles are activists. We care about people, community, and equality. When people look the other way, we stand up and speak out. Now we are starting a new movement, and we need your brilliant minds, your boldness, your voices, your vision, and your leadership. When you select Bennett, you are choosing a college where the girl meets the woman she's destined to become. When you come to Bennett, your identity as a woman of color is celebrated and validated throughout your college years. When you come to Bennett, you will discover how to create your own path to success. Our Successful Stand with Bennett campaign ignited a movement that put HBCUs back in the forefront of the national conversation on higher education. HBCUs are needed more than ever before. Bennett College inspires people to embrace what's different, what's unique. We are a small, vibrant women's HBCU. That's our magic. The world says that your generation is the me generation. I'm telling you that at Bennett College, we are creating the we generation. We are stronger together. We produce phenomenal women scholars and global leaders. Are you ready to join the movement? Enroll today